Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions and which of them work on a lock screen in Infinix Note 12. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, locate a special function, it should be somewhere at the bottom, then we can scroll down and there's action and gesture. Let's check which of these options work on lock screen. First one is tapping wake. Now if you enable it and double tap on your screen, it should turn on or off. So we'll need to lock our device, then double tap. As you can see, it wakes up. Now let's try to lock it. Yep, this feature works fine. Next one, we have music gesture. If you enable it, you'll be able to control music using gestures on your device. So when screen is off, swipe left to switch to the previous, swipe right to switch to the next, swipe up to stop, swipe down to play. And it works like this, but I can't show you exactly for obvious reasons, but it should work on your lock screen. Go back, flip to mute. If you enable it and receive any call, you can flip your phone over and it should decline or mute, not decline, sorry, it will mute the call like that. Next feature, we have take screenshot with 3 fingers. If you enable it, you can scroll down your 3 fingers from top of the screen to make a screenshot like this. And on the lock screen, it probably won't work. Let's try to wake up our phone. Okay, it works, but it's kind of pointless. Whatever. Next one is raise to ear. When enabled, raise to ear allows you to answer incoming calls by raising the phone to your ear. If you enable it, it should work properly on a lock screen when you receive a call. Next is smart screen on. The screen lights up when the device is picked up and lights off when the device is lowered. Let's try it out, but it's off, sorry. Let's enable it first. Now we can go back. Now I'm lifting the phone and it wakes up without pressing any button. If we lay it back down, it should turn off, but it doesn't. Maybe it needs to be on a stable surface. Okay, it works in a hand, so it just needs to detect that it was placed down. So this feature works on the lock screen as you just saw. Now next is answer calls with gestures. If you enable it and click on that setting, you can see sub-tutorials for it. So call answering gesture, you'll need to perform something like this in front of the camera right here, and it should answer the call automatically. You can reject the call by showing your entire palm of a hand like that. And both features should work on the lock screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.